Welcome to my tutorial about Achilles custom modules. First off, if you have no understanding in ArmA scripting, this tutorial is nothing for you. It will show you nothing, so you need some basic understanding. Okay, let's get started. For this tutorial I have prepared a mission with the CFG functions in the description already, with our two main functions, play music, create vehicle, and two post-init functions. To show you first what we're doing is we have our custom modules in this category. One, we have our vehicle, which spawn a basic LSV. This is the curator feedback message, which I'll show you later. The other module is a simple play music module. Okay, we're going fast through the functions. Play music. I have a track defined. We're getting the proper name from the config. We're showing the curator message on top, and let the music play in all machines. The vehicle function will be accepting one argument. It's a positioning. I have the LSV defined fixed. We have the proper name from the config, and it will be also shown on the curator message on top. And we're spawning the crew. Okay, another question, what we need the other two functions. The init function is simple. It basically only prints in the RPT that my add-on is loaded, nothing more. And all the magic happens in the Achilles function. First off, we are checking if Achilles is loaded as add-on, because if not, then we don't need to register our custom module. Okay, next, if it's loaded, then we define our category, my Achilles add-on, which will be seen here. Then we're calling the RS function register custom module. So the first argument is the category. Second one is the string under which it's the module name, which will be seen here. And the third one is the function itself. It requires code block. The default parameters are the positioning and the object. The positioning is where you click with the module, like the coordinates. And the object is where you drop the modules on which object. Like if you drop the module on the player, then the player object will be returned. Else nothing will be returned if I drop it like the vehicle on the ground. So we're passing a fallback as object null. Next, we're calling our play music function. So where is it? That's right. And that's all the magic. Next, I have to create a vehicle block, calling again RS function register custom module. Category is as a local variable with the module name and the code block. The only difference in the music is here that we are passing the positioning because we want the vehicle spawn where we're pointing. So basically we're passing the positioning of the module drop to the function, which can be seen here. That's all the magic again. So we can spawn our vehicle. So, but we want to have it not only in this demo mission, or we want it on every mission, because this sucks. Every time copy pasta all that stuff again, and yeah. So that's why I've prepared already a config. Like I said before, I will not explain that stuff. You need to look up for yourself. We have our CFG function in our config CPP. I've made a functions folder here too. You can simply copy that functions one-to-one into this functions folder. Then we look up the config CPP again. The only difference to our description is here is the file path to the function. On our mission, we're using only the functions folder from the mission root, but in the add-on we need to pass our add-on name. Like it will be called later my Achilles add-on .pbo, like here. If I have a suicide bomber add-on like me, then it's called fox underscore suicide underscore bomber, and the path would be fox underscore suicide underscore bomber, then slash functions. That stuff is all one-to-one, like in the description ext. Do not fuck up the tag for your functions. If you change that one, then no function will be working. I only say it because sometimes you don't forget it and you change just the tag here, and then you're wondering why nothing is working. Okay, we have to set up our config CPP. Now we open the add-on builder, which I have here already. Closing ArmA because I don't need it anymore now. That's the add-on folder in which the config is placed, and the output folder. Next is to open the ArmA launcher. I've already added the local add-on. Now we check it, starting ArmA again. I'm loading tons of other mods too, that's why it's taking longer. Now we can pick any map, like Chapeau here. Place our dummy unit. First we check if our add-on was loaded. Here we have it, my Achilles add-on loaded from our init function. Now we're opening Zeus and magic. Here are our two models. From now on you can create your own mod with your own custom models which only requires Achilles for it. Pretty simple, easy to do. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumb up. I will create another small series for it for the interface, which you can select some properties like checkbox slider, etc. Yeah, see you guys next time.